Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we do a lot of home decor videos. So if you're into that kind of thing, I would love it if you guys subscribe and also follow me over on Instagram. My name over there is MyJessicaJ, or you can click the link down below. So in today's video, we are finally decorating for fall. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this day and it's finally here. As you guys know my style, I'm a little bit of a minimalist. I love the whole black and white neutrals. But for fall this year, I really want to play with texture and color and really step up my game a little bit. I feel like this is the perfect time to do that. Decorating for the holidays, it's all about doing what you love and adding that little fun factor in there. All right, I'm ready to decorate. You guys ready? Let's go. So here's everything that we're working with today. This is basically my color palette for fall this year. We're working with browns, taupes, mauvey pinks, whites, of course, blacks. You know, I like sticking with my original color palette in my home so it doesn't feel too out of the ordinary. I like things to be very cohesive, but I do like pops of color or festiveness, if that's a word. I like being a little festive, so I like to add little wild cards here and there. And I'm getting more comfortable with adding color like that right there. That's probably the most fall traditional color that I'm adding today. I got that from Target. And I love it. That kind of like set the tone with what I'm going with here. I think it's gonna work out really nicely. Welcome to my home. So first we're gonna get started with my sideboard. I'm going to keep this area super simple, and honestly, I'm not gonna change a whole lot, but we're still gonna make it feel like fall. Also, I'll have everything that you guys see in this video linked down below. If I can find a link for it, I will have it down below. So check the description if you guys are interested in any of the pieces I have in my home. I really love how this area came out. It's super chic, it's super simple. And because my sideboard's so busy, I like to keep it very simple with my decor pieces. Moving on to my kitchen, this area is an open concept, so I like to kind of keep the same flow going in here, but I'm ready for a change. So I really want to switch up things right here. I've been really wanting to switch it up for a while now, but since it's fall, we're redecorating, it's really giving me the inspiration to just go ahead and switch things up already. So I picked up this picture frame from Target. It was $16. It's 11 by 14. And I think I'm gonna get rid of the cutting boards right here and then add this instead. This is an open concept home, so I think it just gives some visual interest and, you know, adds a little something extra to the space. And I do actually like to hide the outlets. Since I don't have my backsplash yet, I feel like it just really sticks out. I did switch the plate with these more modern sleek plates I got from Amazon, and I think it looks a lot better, but I just don't like them staring at me. So I thought I would just put this right there. And I think that looks really good. So I did paint this earlier today. It's really blown out, sorry guys. But it's just a landscape abstract art piece. This is my first time working with watercolors, and I think it came out really nicely. So I'm gonna add that in there, and I think it's gonna look good. If that doesn't say fall, you guys, I don't know what does. And I I do like to have my cookbook open over here. This is the Cook Beautifully by Athena Calderone, and she has recipes for spring, summer, fall, and winter. And whatever season it is, I kind of like to have the page open to that season. So this is a fall recipe, and it kind of hides my Alexa as well over there in the corner. This is the Target candle, Rose Masala, and it smells so good. It reminds me of fall, very warm. So this is my bar area, and what really inspired this area is this beauty right here. This is my dispenser from CB2. I waited 5 long months for this to come, and I absolutely love it. It looks so good right here. So I wanted to create a bar moment. I think it'll be perfect for the holidays to just to have a bar moment going. So I have my tray from West Elm, and then also my decanter from West Elm. So I'm going to start off with these bunny tails. I really couldn't decide which look I want to go with, so I'm going to show you guys a couple of different looks, and you guys let me know which one you like best. I really love using florals or some type of stem in a bar area. I really feel like it really elevates the space. Couple of other options. Halloween is coming up as well, so I have this tea light holder in the shape of a skull, and then I also have this pumpkin tea light. I could do this. The only thing is it's not really a natural color. Oh, that can work though. Kind of flickers. Or I can add a couple of cocktail napkins. This one says Happy Halloween. And I can kind of just add a few. Take this out. Like that. You guys, so many options, I have no idea. Or we can just do like a pumpkin like that. We can add some napkins, and then we can have this lit. Ooh, you guys, so many options, I have no idea. And then I did clean up for you guys a bit, and I straightened out our bar cabinet a bit. So if anyone wants to come over and, you know, if I want to make cocktails, or if someone wants to make themselves a drink, we have all the essentials down here and up there. They can make whatever they like. So I ended up adding the bunny tails because I think the area just needs it. There's a lot of white in my kitchen, and I think that it just needs a little bit of warmth for fall. So I did add the bunny tails. So I did move the bigger vase, and I just really love this vase. This one's from CB2, and because I moved it from my coffee table, it's gonna be seen some way or another. We're gonna add some height with these faux peonies, and I love the color. It's like a beigey, mauve pink color. I think it's really good for fall. I got them from Marshall's for $12.99, I believe. And I think they look pretty realistic as well. And you don't have to cut. I see people cut the stems sometimes. Don't cut the stems, just bend them, and you can reuse them in bigger, taller vases. Oh, that looks so good. So I've been fooling myself and getting real florals lately. You guys can follow me over on Instagram. I try to go a couple of times a month to get real flowers. So I'm like, I don't know if this is gonna work, but these look so good, yes. And I want this big one to be shown like that. That looks good. Okay, fall, we have arrived. And then I'm gonna add my Target pumpkin. And then this area right here, I wanna switch up. I'm kind of over the petrified wood being here, so I'm gonna see what I have and make some changes. I'm going to take this Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice Scent hand soap. It smells so good, it smells just like fall. And I'm gonna pour this into this amber color dispenser that I have. And this one's plastic. I got it from Marshall's, which is perfect for the kids, so I don't have to worry about them breaking the soap dispenser. So here I'm really gonna play around with things that I already own, things that I've bought, and really just try to bring in that cozy factor, bring in some warmth, and bring in that fall feeling. Let me just say I am in love with how the kitchen turned out. It still looks like my home and my kitchen, but I definitely feel the fall spirit here. Welcome to my living room. I haven't changed really much since the last time you guys saw it. We still need a rug, we still need paintings on the wall, but we'll get there. Today's focus is fall, so let's get started. So I really like the pillows that I already have. You guys know that this whole shebang right here is pretty new, and I hate to just get rid of my pillows right when everything is starting to come together. So I'm gonna use mostly what I have, and I'm just gonna add this taupe pillow cover right here and get closer. I got this one from H&M Home. It was the last one. I'll check online to see if they have more, but this is a 16 by 16, and I just really love the color. It might need to be steamed. Okay, I'm really happy with the pillow story, and I'm happy I got to keep that one right there. I really love that pillow. I didn't want to get rid of it for the fall, so I think we did it, you guys. Everything kind of goes cohesively together. We have our warm neutrals to kind of warm up the space for fall, and then this corner chic. Yes. I'm gonna add these faux dried hydrangeas I got from Target. Such a beautiful color for the fall. So what I did was just take off the leaves because you can't bend them, you can't manipulate them, and it got in the way and it didn't look good. So I just popped these off. You can keep them just in case you decide to use them another time, and then just kind of manipulate the stem. Again, don't cut your stems, you guys, because you can use them in taller vases and you don't want to limit yourself. So you just bend them and then you just rearrange them for your vase. So I really like the decor I already have on my coffee table, so I'm just going to switch some things around and add some fall pieces. I'm gonna add these pine cones and little pumpkins that I did spray paint white. I got them both from the Target dollar section. Don't sleep on the dollar section at Target. I'm also going to add these cinnamon sticks and anise to kind of give some more visual interest and make it feel warm and cozy. I mean, what's more cozier than warm spices? For me, candles are a must when decorating for the fall and holiday season. This one right here is an apple cider scent from HOMEGOODS, and it smells amazing. I really love how my living room space turned out. As you guys can see, I didn't do a whole lot of changes. I just switched a few things around and added some pieces that really reminded me of fall. So whatever reminds you of fall and whatever you want to bring into your home, go for it and have fun with it. Now my dining space was the only area I really didn't have planned. I pretty much just brought out everything that could go in the centerpiece and kind of played around with it. I played with some fall pieces, Halloween pieces, and ultimately I went back to fall. I have some really good ideas for a Thanksgiving or fall centerpiece, and all the pieces that I have in mind I actually need to go out and get. So we're just gonna use pieces that we have in this video. But really you don't have to do much. Candles and fresh florals or stems is really all you need. I added this fresh seeded eucalyptus and it smells so good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with me. As you guys can see, I like to keep things simple, but still fun, and adding pieces in that remind me of fall really gave our home a new feeling and refreshed it a bit. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would love it if you gave the video a thumbs up and subscribed for more content. By the way, I would love to see how you guys decorate for the fall. So if you want to share, please tag me over on Instagram with your posts, and I would love to check you guys out and share some of your content as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.